For question 2, we're told there's a capacitor of 120 microfarads, a resistor of 1 mega ohms, and the power supply's got a constant voltage of 3 volts. So that means V0 is going to be 3 volts. 3 is basically, V0 is basically the maximum voltage the capacitor will have. So when the capacitor has been fully charged, it's going to have the same voltage that the power supply does. So the power supply has 3 volts. So when the capacitor is fully charged, it will also have 3 volts. It tells me the time is equal to 1 time constant, and the equation for time constant is CR. So that means T will equal CR. So now I'm going to substitute in everything I know into this equation, and I'm looking for V. So V0 is equal to 3. 3.0, we'll just leave it as 3. Open brackets, 1 minus E to the power of minus T, but we said the time is equal to 1 time constant, which is CR. So T is going to be CR, and that is over CR or RC, same thing, CR. So that means that we have got 3 times 1 minus E to the power of minus 1. CR over CR is just 1. So we're going to stick all that into our calculator, and we come out with 1.9 volts. In question 5, we're asked to find the voltage. Given that we know the capacitance, the resistance in the circuit, we know V0, the power supply, has got a voltage of 9.68 volts. So that'll be the maximum voltage on the capacitor when it gets fully charged. And we're looking for the voltage after a time of 4.47 minutes. So that would be times 60, 268.2 seconds. So I'm looking to work out V, so I substitute in my values. V0 is 9.68 times, open brackets, 1 minus E to the power of minus T, so T is 268.2 seconds, over R times C. R is 2520 times 10 to the power of 3, times my capacitance, which is 62.5, times 10 to the power of minus 6. In my calculator, that would look something like this. So I've got my voltage, I've got open brackets 1 minus E. E is just a number. You can do E to the power of by pressing that button, so shift and then there. Or you can just get E itself, which is there in red, so you press alpha and then that button. E is just a number, it's just 2.71 or so. It's a special constant that we use. And then I've got everything else in the power to the power of E. So I've got T on top here, and I've got the capacitance and I've got the resistance. And when I stick all of that in and I press equals, the answer comes out as 7.9 volts.